Boom! What's up, everybody? My name is Kim, and today we're gonna be checking out, seeing how we can make a bootable USB with Linux Manjaro distribution on it. So I recently made the decision to, I'm gonna try and switch completely over to Linux, and I want to use an Arch-based system, and Manjaro is a really good choice for that. It's built on Arch and it's fast. It has some headaches when you completely new to Linux, but then again, Windows have headaches, a lot of them. Apple has headaches and a lot of them. And if you read the terms of service and your privacy agreements on Windows and Apple, you you got to make up your own mind, but so I want to start learning Linux, and I'm going to start playlist here where y'all can learn Linux with me if you want. And I'm going to try and use as much open source and free software as I can and see how it works. But first, to get to that step, we're going to have to make a bootable ISO so we can install Manjaro on your computer. So if you like this tutorial, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment down below if this is something you would like to see. So if you go to rufus.ie, you get to this page. I will have the link down in the description. I like this program, free open source. You just go here to Rufus, whatever your latest version is. When you're looking at this, click on it, start the download. I've already done that. The next step you need to do, and there's no installation on Rufus. Next step is head on over to manjaro.org and go under try Manjaro or download here. Hit it, and there you can read up on the different versions they have. They actually have a lot of them. So if you go here, you have the official versions, you have the community versions, some for ARM, and then you have development. So my understanding is XFCE is the most traditional desktop layout, and it's the lightest, meaning it uses it uses the minimum amount of resources compared to any of these other ones. So I like XFCE. You just click here, it's gonna take you over here, download. Great, take me to the download site. It's gonna take you over to SourceForge, and it's going to start the download in 5 seconds. I've already downloaded it to save time, so I'm just going to cancel out of it. Okay, so now you have, go to your downloads folder wherever you have Rufus. All you need to do is double click it, and this is going to pop up here. And you can see it. I've already have my 4 gig USB drive in the computer, and it's auto detected it. So now it comes over to disk or ISO image. This is the Manjaro portion. So just hit select. Go find your distribution. So I'm going to take this CFE here, XFCE. Architect is, they have stopped supporting Architect, but it still works as of today on April 8th. 2021. So I really like the installation process of the Architect because it's completely manual. But if you want to start learning Linux, I recommend just going with the pre-built installer here. So you mark it, open. You're gonna see it comes in here now, and all you have to do now is hit the start button. It's gonna take a couple of minutes. It's gonna format your entire USB drive, so make sure you have a copy of everything that's on it if you need it. And you can see it also comes up and warns you about it. So just hit OK, and it's starting to write to disk. So I'm gonna shut up now and let this run, fast forward through it, and then we'll have a look. So we are back, and Rufus has finished its creation of a bootable USB. So my memory stick is about it's a USB 2, so it took a little bit. It took about 7 minutes and 43 seconds. So if you have a USB 3, USB-C, 3.1, 3.2, it will probably go down the time. So just let it run. And once that's done, you're ready to plug it in. So we're going to do that in the next video. But I'm going to have to do it in a VM because I don't have a video capture card. I'll see you all next time.